Hi parents, I wanted to show you how to log into Teams using the Idea Public Schools website. So first thing that you would do is go to ideapublicschools.org. After that, we would click Virtual Classrooms. Once we are in the Parents Guide to Virtual Classrooms, we will scroll down all the way to How does my child access Teams? Most of you have been successful in accessing the website. I just wanted to navigate you through it. So I'm going to go ahead and click that link. And it's actually going to pull up my Teams. For an example, I'm going to choose a student's classroom. So let's choose this classroom right here. Whenever there is an assignment, you will get a notification that an assignment is there. For example, for today, I will go to assignments. The student was assigned this social skills assignment, which has already been turned in. So all I would have to do after you watch, for example, let's say I upload a video on there with a quiz. As soon as it's completed, it will let me know, and then I will grade it automatically. As far as any general posts, they will be under posts, and this is where your child can also send me any emojis, GIFs, anything they would like to communicate with me. And as well as any files that I upload are going to be under the Files tab. Thank you.